Isang maangas na nakabordado ang buong katawan na nanggaling pa ng bansang Iran ang bumubuli sa ating maliit na kababayan bago ang kanilang laban. Hindi mo alam kung saan nakuha ang kayabangan at kahambugan. Porke ba alam niya na maliit ang kanyang makakalaban at liyamado siya sa laban. At dito ay iyong makikita na sinisigaw-sigawan lang ang ating kababayan. Pero pagdating ng laban ay iba ang lakas na pinakita ng ating kababayan na animoy muntik ng gawin Betamax ang braso ng Iranian. Kaya kumapit ka ng mahigpit kaibigan ng iyong matunghayan at iyong makilala ang bida sa ating storya. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag mong kalimutan na i-like and subscribe ang aking munting channel na Sports Update at i-hit ang bell button para maging updated ka sa mga videos na gaya nito kabady. Maraming salamat! Noong araw ng Biyernes, Abril 21, taong kasalukuyan, sa napakagandang bansa ng Indonesia ay dumayo ang ating pambato sa larangan ng mixed martial arts na si Arjay Anggala Ortega para sa magaganap na laban nila ng pambato ng bansang Iran sa MMA na ang maangas at bordado na si Ariana Grande ay Ariana na BI po pala. Animoy laban ni David at Goliath sa totoong buhay. Sobrang laki ng kalaban ng kababayan natin na ito na puro tattoo at mata na lang ng hindi nalalagyan. Panay angas ang pinapakita sa ating kababayan. Pero ito ang isang malaking pagkakamali na magagawa niya sa tanan ng buhay niya. Dahil Pinoy ang nakatapat niya. Hindi nito alam na tahimik lang sa umpisa ang mga Pilipino. Ngunit pag nasa ibabaw na ng lona, ay doon mo na makikita ang isang tigre na 3 buwang hindi pinakain na handa sa iyong lumapa. Main event ang kanilang laban at akala ng Iranian ay madali niya lang mapapatumba ang ating kababayan. Dito sa umpisa ay umarangkada na ang Iranian at sinusubukan ilak ang ulo ng ating kababayan. Lamang sa sukat ang kalaban ng ating pambato at kita mong nahihirapan ito sa pagkontrol ng laban.
Let's look, everything. Are we going to see a soccer kick? You can't stomp your opponent on the ground. Those were the soccer kick. Here we go. Man, RJ took that like a champ. Big right hand slam him. Oh! He can look to knee, he can look to submission here. Could we see the first ever rear naked? Oh, but just the leverage. Oh, big shots. Oh, he's good.
Gayunpaman sanay ang mga Pilipino na sa una nagpapabugbog at biglang babawi sa gitna ng laban.
Straight to the mat, and you can see the man, RJ, not backing down. He's making a fight out of this.
Now he has to.
He's inside control now. Oh man, Ambar. Is he gonna have the time? Does he have the time? Does he? He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. He's got the Ambar. He's got it. Is he tapping? No, he's not. Look at the toughness. Oh, he's got it! He's got it! He's got it! 10 seconds! Can he hold on? Can he hold on? He's gonna break that arm! He's gonna break!
Tapos, nasana ang laban dito, ngunit nakaligtas pa ang mayabang na Arabo dahil naubos na ang oras ng first round.
Oh, saved by the bell!
Pero dahil sa pinsalang natamo ay nahirapan ng makatayo ang Iranian. Tinulungan na lang siyang makatayo ng kanyang second man para baka sakaling makabawi pa at matapos nito ang laban.
Let's see what he's got. Here we go. Round number 2. They've got one more round. Big uppercut. Knee. Oh, big right hand. Comes over.
Big shot.
This to the end. Big leg kick. Hammer fist. Right hand by RJ. Again, another leg kick. Oh, calf kick. Big calf kick. And again, take down. Wait. No, he's holding the ropes. That's not right. He's gonna look for that up carry his weight. Big shots from RJ. RJ's out of time. He can wait and take his time. He doesn't need to be reckless. There you go. He's senses the armbar. He's pepper him with shots. Hammer fist.
Dito talagang hirap na ang burdadong kalaban ng ating kababayan. At sumasalag na lang habang nakahiga sa ibabaw ng lona.
Go. Bang, bang, boom. Pound and pound and ground and pound. He wants his retribution. He's getting his retribution. He knows he's got him hurt.
Yeah, but none of those shots really landed down there.
How about breaks in this round? Armbar, he's looking for that again. Elbow, big elbow. He's isolated an arm.
Hindi na hinayaan ng ating pambato na makabawi pa si Ariana. At hanggang matapos ang round ay pinaulanan niya ito ng mga nagmamalakasang kaliwat kanan at headbutt.
Oh man, I think we're close to the end here. Oh, elbow, man. RJ is getting tired of hitting him. His midsection's open. You can land elbows to the midsection. Well, RJ wants to get him out of there as soon as he can because this is a grueling fight. Oh man. Round and pound, over and over. The Iranian warrior in a lot of trouble here. Wow. Oh, man, elbow. This Iranian warrior having in the tank. I reckon there's not much left there. Or straight armbar. Elbows again. 10 seconds out in what seems to be the longest round. Oh man, great ground and pound. I want to see what.
Pagsapit ng round number 3 ay dito na nagpakitang gilas si Ortega. At wala nang magawa ang pagod at exhausted na mandirigma ng bansang Iranian.
No, come on. No, stop the fight. And now it's not a, this is a replay of the last round. The last round was a 10-7. No, round 3. In round 2, that's it, stop the fight. There's no point.
No, he's still defending it.
No, he's not a ball on his own. I don't know what it's going to take for this fight to end.
Oh, you gotta give the time.
Now, come on. From here, I would just, again, elbow. Beautiful elbow. Down. Up. Oh, big shots. Able to eke out a win.
Malinaw na panalo po ang ating kababayan. Isa na naman po ang nabiktima ng pagiging maangas at hindi marespeto sa kalaban ang umuwi ng luhaan at bugbog sarado sa ating Pinoy na kababayan.
RJ Huevos Ortega! And that, ladies and
At kung nag-enjoy ka kabady sa ating video, ay huwag mo naman kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang bell button para lagi kang maging updated sa kwentuhan natin. Muli ako si Kuya Buddy at hanggang sa muli.